Hello, everyone. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Desert Rose Resort in Las Vegas. A nice property booked with Wyndham points and quite a big room. Just coming into the room, see a large kitchen area with a blender, a sink space, lots of countertop space, a coffee maker. Nice to see in Las Vegas. Usually not common. Dishwasher at the bottom, which was running or cleaning when I came in, and lots of cabinet space. On this side, you can see a refrigerator, oven, a toaster, a microwave, and much more. A large table in the kitchen area. I have my room key here, Shell Vacations Club, partnered with this property. We have art on the wall, looks like a Texas style art. Moving over, some more art and a large couch living room area and a balcony outside. TV in the living room area. Over here, a large king bed. Another television. Outside, can see lots of seating areas. There is a pool here, but the pool is closed January of 2025. Walk-in closet area for luggage at the bottom, shelf on the top, lots of hangers. And right off of the bedroom is the bathroom area. More art on the wall. Not a very big bathroom here, but a wide approach where you have sink space, one sink, mirror. Coming back, you see a nightstand next to the bed, some extra towels, the bottom of the nightstand, and another nightstand on this side, no towels at the bottom, a large lamp. Come back around for the bathroom, see the amenities on the side, hand soap, extra towels, side mirror, possibly for makeup reasons, and extra tissues. Over here to the bathroom, nothing really special here. This is just a tub and shower combo. No glass door, just a curtain. And a very small space for the toilet. Come back around, we'll let you see views from a different angle of the large king bedroom. And back into the kitchen and living room area. Pretty spacious. Nice table area, large kitchen. On the bed, you can see somewhat of a view outside, some dirty windows. But coming back around, you can see some of the outside area. I had to take an elevator to come up to this second floor. So a little bit of a minus there that I wasn't on the ground floor, but not too bad as there was a ramp for luggage. And it sounds like some construction outside. This was booked with Wyndham points. I've been earning a lot of Wyndham Rewards points from the Wyndham Earner business credit card. Of course, floozing to the finish line, 8x fuel. So lots of Wyndham points to use. Rates elsewhere in Vegas were pretty high. So going here for 8,500 points a night, I think fantastic value if you were to value the Wyndham points at 1 cent per point. About $85, no taxes, fees. Really good deal. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more content.